Pause the video if you'd like to have a go at the question. Okay, here comes the solution. First key thing is that we are after one real solution to the quadratic that they give you in the question. Now, in the question, A, B and C are in terms of D. So we have to square B, which is minus D minus 1 squared. I suspect if we make errors, it will be in that. Now, A and C are both D, so AC is D squared. If we expand our brackets and gather our terms, that squared bracket becomes D squared minus 2D plus 1. Now that's just what it is. If you didn't get that, you have made an error somewhere. And if we gather together the D squared terms, we get negative 3D squared with minus 2D and plus 1. Now, this is going to have at max 2 solutions. So the bottom 2 options are out of the question straight away. At this stage, we could either try and go on and solve that equation, and that's what is going to happen on the screen right now by factorization, or we could calculate the discriminant of that new quadratic in D. And if we did that, we would get a number that was positive, and that would mean 2 solutions. After we factorise, we can go on and find our 2 solutions. So there are 2 values of D. A shortcut to do this from our quadratic equation in D is just to calculate the discriminant of that new quadratic. And if you do that, you come out with the number positive 16. And that's positive, therefore it has D can take 2 values or has 2 roots.